What if everything you've been told about aging is wrong? What if it's not your genes, your age, or your skincare routine, but tiny daily habits you aren't even thinking about that determine how long you live and how young you feel? In today's video, we're unlocking 12 shockingly simple science-backed hacks to slow down aging, straight from the groundbreaking research of Andrew Steele and the BBC's Science Focus. No expensive treatments, no hype, just practical, powerful tools you can use right now. Ready to age backward? Let's go. 1. Wear sunglasses. Protect your skin and eyes from UV damage. This one is so simple it sounds almost silly, but it works. UV light is a major contributor to premature skin aging. It breaks down collagen, causes wrinkles, and even damages your eyes. Andrew Steele highlights that chronic exposure to UV radiation accelerates biological aging, not just in the skin, but deep in your cells, through oxidative stress and DNA damage. How to do it right? Choose sunglasses with UV 400 protection, which blocks 100% of UVA and UVB rays. Wear them even when it's cloudy. UV can penetrate cloud cover. Bonus, sunglasses reduce squinting, which means fewer crow's feet. Pro tip: if you're outside for long stretches, also wear a wide-brimmed hat and broad-spectrum SPF. 2. Brush and floss. Daily. Your mouth affects your lifespan. Oral hygiene is more than fresh breath. It's a longevity habit. The mouth is a gateway to the body, and chronic inflammation from gum disease is linked to heart disease, diabetes, and even dementia. Andrew Steele points to research showing that poor oral health increases systemic inflammation, which is a key driver of biological aging. Here's your anti-aging routine. Brush twice daily for 2 minutes using a soft bristle brush. Floss once a day to remove plaque and prevent gum recession. Use a fluoride toothpaste and consider a mouthwash with xylitol. Bonus tip: get a dental cleaning every 6 months. It's a small investment with a huge payoff. 3. Move every hour. Combat the sitting disease. Even if you hit the gym daily, long periods of sitting can undo your gains. The BBC's Science Focus cites studies that show prolonged sitting increases the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and even early death, independent of exercise. Andrew Steele explains that movement triggers gene expression that promotes repair and clears cellular waste, slowing aging from the inside out. Action step: stand up every 30 to 60 minutes. Walk around the room, stretch, or do a quick 1-minute exercise, like bodyweight squats or jumping jacks. Why it matters: just these micro movements can improve circulation, lymph flow, and mitochondrial health. 4. Sleep. Like it's your job, because it kind of is. Sleep is where the magic happens. It's when your brain clears out toxins, your cells repair damage, and your body resets for a new day. According to Ageless, poor sleep accelerates aging by impairing the body's ability to regulate hormones and fight inflammation. Here's how to optimize it. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Stick to a consistent schedule even on weekends. Keep your room dark, cool, and free of screens 1 hour before bed. Want to level up? Try wearing blue light-blocking glasses at night or installing a sunrise alarm to gently wake you up. 5. Eat less often. Intermittent fasting simplified. Andrew Steele explains that how often you eat matters as much as what you eat. Giving your body a break from food activates autophagy, a natural process where your cells clean up damaged proteins and organelles, essentially self-cleaning at the microscopic level. Try this. Start with a 12-12 eating window. Eat during a 12-hour period, fast for 12. Gradually narrow to 14-10 or 16-8 if comfortable. Avoid late-night snacking, which can disrupt your circadian rhythm and insulin sensitivity. Why it works: fasting isn't starvation, it's strategy. It gives your cells time to recover and regenerate. 6. Get cold. Use cold showers or cryotherapy. Cold exposure triggers a hormetic response, meaning your body overcompensates in a good way. Research cited in Science Focus shows that cold can increase mitochondrial efficiency, reduce inflammation, and even elevate mood via norepinephrine spikes. How to ease in. Start with 30 seconds of cold water at the end of your shower. Gradually increase to 1 to 3 minutes. Optional. Try ice baths or cryotherapy if available. The result? More energy, better circulation, and a body that's more resilient to stress. 7. Track your resting heart rate. It's a window into your health. Your resting heart rate, RHR, is a direct reflection of your cardiovascular health and recovery capacity. Studies show that lower RHRS are associated with longer lifespans. Andrew Steele recommends tracking it as a simple daily longevity metric. How to do it? Use a smartwatch or a fitness tracker. Measure it first thing in the morning. Ideal RHR, 50 to 70 beats per minute, but it varies by person. Pro tip: if your RHR suddenly spikes, it could signal overtraining, illness, or stress, so it's a valuable feedback loop. 8. Lift weights. Muscle is anti-aging medicine. After age 30, you lose 3 to 8% of muscle per decade unless you actively resist it. This loss, called sarcopenia, leads to frailty, falls, and metabolic issues. Andrew Steele argues that maintaining muscle mass is one of the most important longevity strategies because it supports strength, bone density, insulin sensitivity, and even mental sharpness. How to begin? Strength train 2 to 3 times per week, focusing on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, rows, and presses. Use progressive overload. Gradually increase weights or reps. Don't worry about getting bulky. Muscle is what keeps you looking toned and youthful. 9. Prioritize protein, especially as you age. You can't build or maintain muscle without adequate protein. Older adults especially need more protein per kilogram of body weight to stimulate muscle repair and prevent sarcopenia. Steele suggests aiming for 1.2 to 2.0 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Distribute it evenly across meals, not just one big dinner. Smart protein sources: wild fish, pasture-raised eggs, lean poultry, legumes, and protein powders if needed. Why this matters? Protein supports tissue repair, hormone balance, immune function, and yes, glowing skin. 10. Stay curious. Cognitive engagement slows. Brain aging. Neuroplasticity isn't just for kids. The brain can grow and rewire throughout life, but only if you use it. Andrew Steele writes that mental stimulation keeps your neurons firing and may delay cognitive decline. Your brain-boosting to-do list. Read every day, even 10 minutes. Learn a new skill or language. Try puzzles, chess, or creative writing. Tip: keep your environment novel. Travel, take a new route, or just rearrange your workspace. It wakes up your brain. 11. Build real relationships. Loneliness ages. Social connection isn't just emotional, it's biological. Loneliness increases the risk of early mortality by over 26%, according to data reviewed in Science Focus. It raises cortisol levels, disrupts sleep, and damages immune function. Action steps. Prioritize face-to-face time with friends and family. Join a group or class in something you enjoy. Set boundaries with toxic relationships. Remember, you don't need a huge network, just meaningful connection. 12. Get regular blood work. Test, don't guess. You can't improve what you don't measure. Routine blood tests give you real data on inflammation, hormones, cholesterol, and blood sugar, key markers that signal how well you're aging. Tests to consider: HS-CRP, inflammation; HbA1c, blood sugar; vitamin D, B12, thyroid, testosterone, estrogen frequency, at least once a year or quarterly if you're optimizing your health more aggressively. Pro tip: use a tracker app to log your results and spot trends over time. Let's recap. These 12 habits might seem simple, but together they form a powerful blueprint to slow aging from the inside out, shield your body from damage, support your cells, stimulate your brain and muscles. Stay curious and connected. Aging isn't inevitable decline. It's a code we're learning how to crack. Want to start implementing these habits today? Grab your free guide, the Ageless Longevity Checklist, a printable, science-backed PDF to help you track all 12 habits. The link is in the description. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone you love. Stay ageless. I'll see you in the next one.